Here we go, fourth graders. How to write a paragraph. Your learning target is I can use notes to write a paragraph. Step 1. Grab all your note cards from one of your envelopes. So these note cards are from the envelope for my writing project about why there should be year-round school, and the envelope is labeled Improves Performance of Students. So step number 2 is write your first sentence. So this is what you're going to see at first. This box is where you write your paragraph and the instructions are inside it. So right here it tells you your first sentence as your reason from your envelope, 2 to 3 sentences using your research and what you know about your topic. And it could be 3 to 5 sentences. It's really going to probably be a little bit more than that. Step number 2 is write your first sentence. So here's my first sentence. One reason for year-round school is that it improves performance of the students. Now I need to write 2 to 3 more sentences using your research and what you know about your topic. So this is just from my envelope. And you can start paragraphs with transition words like one reason, a second reason, a third reason, another reason. I chose to start with one reason. Step number 3, use note cards to write sentences. So this is my first note card. I need to turn it into a complete sentence, and I've done that here. And what you'll notice is I wrote a second sentence to explain the fact I included. So I wrote the dropout rate is 5% nationally, but only 2% for year-round schools. You'll see that my note card was not written like that. It was not a complete sentence, so I had to add a word or two. Then I made this sentence just because I wanted to make it clear why I was talking about the dropout rate. Step number 3, use note cards to write sentences. So here's my next note card. This is my second note card. I need to turn it into a complete sentence. So I've done that here. So this is what I had on my note card, beginning of school year, 8 to 13 weeks to learn new stuff, according to the National Summer Learning Association. What I wrote is, according to the National Summer Learning Association, it takes 8 to 13 weeks at the beginning of the year to learn new stuff. When school is year-round, this is not a problem. And I switched the order I had on my note card to make it make more sense, and added something to make sure people knew this supports having school year-round. I'm still on that step. I'm on my last note card. This is my third one. I need to turn it into a complete sentence. I wrote disadvantaged students, such as EL or poor, lose 27% of their learning over the summer. And I only made some minor changes. So you can see I wrote disadvantaged students, such as EL or students in poor families, lose 27% of their learning over the summer. Step 4 is to read your paragraph. Now I will read my paragraph to make sure it makes sense. One reason for year-round school is that it improves performance of the students. The dropout rate is 5% nationally, but only 2% for year-round schools. So this means more students finish school when it is year-round. According to the National Summer Learning Association, it takes 8 to 13 weeks at the beginning of the year to learn new stuff. When school is year-round, this is not a problem. Disadvantaged students, such as EL or students of poor families, lose 27% of their learning over the summer. I need to delete the instructions at the bottom, and then I am done. And now you can see my finished paragraph. So that is how you can write a paragraph using your notes.